I'm going to explain you, give space to this. I'm going to explain you what suka means. It's a rude thing. It's actually what you're thinking. But it's so popular in Palermo, it's not considered that bad anymore. Imagine there are books at bookshops talking about this literature phenomenon, it's called. If you give a pen to a Palermitan and you ask him to write one thing, this is what he's going to write. Yeah. But if you go to school, some formal places, you don't read suka. You read 8, O-O-A. Because in formal places, in order to cover these writings, they close the S and becomes 8. They close the U. If you write in capital letters, it's 0. You close the C, it's 0 and A. There are beers. There is a beer called 800A. There are T-shirts called like this. Okay. There is a Sicilian souvenir shop where you can, near Teatro Politeama, you can buy the T-shirts like this. Among friends, we use it a lot, even for joking. It's like it says something to piss you off. It's okay. So it is rude, the meaning, but it's considered not that bad. So let's say everybody to the camera, suka.